everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. We Are Memory Keepers has such great quality and innovative crafting products, and this trim and scoreboard is no exception. My favorite feature is that it accommodates a 12 by 12 paper, and it folds in half for storing, and the measurements actually go up to 12.25 inches by 12.25 inches. And it also includes centimeter measurements. It cuts so nicely and easily, and it adjusts to make it a scoreboard super quick. The scoring tool fits nicely inside the base for storage, so I'm not losing it in my craft room. The feet on the back prevent it from scratching the tabletop, and there are even tabs on the side to make it easy to unfold. The portability, the size, and the quality of this We Are Memory Keepers trim and scoreboard make it a go-to tool in my craft room. And that's my point of view.